Bank on Pueblo County is doing unique work in economic mobility here in Pueblo, and there's a good reason for that. 6% of the Colorado residents are currently unbanked, while the national average is at 4.5%. And in Pueblo, an estimated 8% of the population is unbanked. Hi, I'm Adrian Gomez, Program Coordinator of Bank on Pueblo County.
Bank on Pueblo County is a coalition and a program that is working with the local government, working with federal regulators, working with banks and credit unions, and working with our local nonprofit organizations or community organizations. And we're building access to mainstream banking that is safe and functional.
Access to safe and affordable bank accounts is really the foundation of financial stability and ultimately prosperity for individuals and families living in our community. And so having a program that is geared towards increasing the access to safe and affordable bank accounts is so important. Getting the education out so people know the value of having a bank account and really what it can cost them if they don't.
The City of Pueblo, the mayor was very grateful that our nonprofit partner stepped up as the Bank On grant opportunity came to the city. And we had to pivot quickly when the Bank On grant City Council made the determination that it would be better operated by a nonprofit. And we're very pleased with what they heard and saw from the United Way. And the United Way board has as one of its priorities financial literacy. And with that, it aligned very nicely to say United Way can move forward with an application themselves. The grant money for Bank On does not come through the city. We are not the fiscal agent. It goes directly to United Way, and who are running and operating it wonderfully.
The work that Bank on Pueblo County is doing right now to help the Pueblo residents or the Pueblo citizens is impactful for a lot of different areas. Not only is it helpful for young people coming into the workforce, it's helpful for students who are just trying to figure out what financial aid is and student loans are. It's helpful for folks who are coming from incarceration and re-entering into the public life and just getting a new start.
Being unbanked is very costly. The average unbanked person spends 10% of their income in fees that are associated with check cashing services and alternative banking. This can amount to $40,000 over a lifetime.
I've taught adjunct faculty in the accounting discipline for a number of years, and students at both the 2-year school and 4-year school that are obtaining jobs for the first time. Many are single parents that really work toward how do they manage financial aid and or grants and loans and their job paychecks to get through developing a budget, sticking to it, to be able to navigate through, finance their education and move forward in their lives. And the services that United Way and Bank On will be providing, financial institutions providing, can really provide assistance in that process.
There are banks, credit unions, local government officials, nonprofit agencies out there that are working to create access to banking that will help people who are unbanked or underbanked. And that plays a huge role in the financial stability in people's lives currently for their financial situation. It plays a big role generationally.
And I love now that financial institutions, bigger ones, not just credit unions, banks, everybody's getting involved and taking that opportunity to not just see these people based on their check systems record or their credit history. We're looking at them as people and taking the opportunity to help them.
I think the cool thing that I've really gotten from this coalition through this process is the amazing work that's happening between our nonprofits and financial institutions. This has been so exciting to me as a Pueblo native to see this whole group collaborate on how do we support those in our community with this program. Bank On is not just about getting those that are underserved, but helping with financial literacy in Pueblo County.